what's up, you guys? Good morning. So gonna be headed out right now to get the exhaust done on the Durango mid muffler delete with 5-inch exhaust tips. So it's got me good. Going to my buddy in Cudahy. I'll show you guys the shop that I went to for the charger, and yeah, man, should be good. And let's get this Durango sounding a lot louder and a lot more natural than it's what it is right now and what it's supposed to be. So yeah, I'll do I mean, it's not a cold start, it's sunny as hell right now, but I'll do a start and a rev on the Durango before I get it done. It's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be real nice. So this Durango, block the license plates, so do not show my license plates anywhere, no matter what. But man, I love this car. I absolutely love the heck out of this car. This car is absolutely beautiful. Yes, it is extremely dirty right now, so those tips will be a lot bigger than what they are now. I just pulled up at a New Level Performance Exhaust. Let's see what they tell me. There's that big ass suitcase muffler on this Durango. So for everything right now, it's 220. They put in the tips already. They're working on the mid muffler and figuring out how to curve the pipes and everything. So we'll see. The tips, they got a lot more than I would have liked, and then on top of that, the tips are actually coming down a lot more than I would have actually liked. But the fitment's not great, but we'll see what the end product and see how it is. So we'll go from there. Yeah, I just got to say the outcome of this Durango in regards to getting the mid mufflers cut off, putting the Dynamax bullets on them, and putting the 5-inch tips came out pretty freaking sweet, man. So yeah, check out this cold start, and hopefully I can get some driving shots inside the car as well, and show you guys how it sounds. I don't think video does it justice, man. It sounds freaking amazing in person. So yeah, check it out.